Have you ever tried to open a website and got that frustrating message? This site is blocked in your region or access denied? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to access blocked websites safely and privately, step by step. Before we begin, remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Always respect your local laws and website terms of service. Alright, let's get started. First, let's understand why websites get blocked. It could be due to regional restrictions, workplace firewalls, or government censorship. Sometimes, your school or office network also limits access to social media or streaming sites. But the good news is, there are safe, legal methods to bypass these restrictions. Let's explore the top 3. Method 1. Use a trusted VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, hides your real IP address and routes your connection through another country. This makes it appear as if you're browsing from somewhere else, giving you access to region-locked sites. Good VPNs like ProtonVPN, Windscribe, or Atlas VPN offer free plans that are reliable and secure. Just download one, connect to a different server location, and you're good to go. But remember, never use sketchy or unknown VPN apps. They may log your data or inject malware. Method 2. Use a proxy website. A proxy acts like a middleman between you and the blocked site. Websites like hide.me proxy or kproxy can load web pages on your behalf. No installation required. However, free proxies are often slower and less secure, so don't use them for personal logins or online banking. Method 3. Use the Tor Browser. If you want maximum privacy, Tor is the way to go. It routes your internet traffic through multiple encrypted layers, making your connection nearly impossible to trace. Just download the Tor browser from its official website, open it, and browse safely even in restricted networks. Here's a quick safety tip. Always avoid giving personal information or logging into sensitive accounts while using these tools, especially free ones. And never trust free VPN sites that ask for your credit card details. To summarize: 1. Use VPNs for the best mix of speed and privacy. 2. Use proxies for quick access without installation. 3. Use Tor when privacy is your top concern. With these tools, you can browse the web freely, safely, and securely. No more access denied screens. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.